welcome to Travel Beans. I am Emma and this is Alex.
We are digital nomads traveling the world and we're currently in Poland now try and say this name, Wrocław.
Wrocław. It looks like Wrocław in English, but I assure you that is not the correct pronunciation.
So this is the fourth biggest city in Poland and we weren't actually going to come here, but we found it on the route to Vienna, which is where we're going to tomorrow.
And when we looked it up on Google, it looked so beautiful, we thought we had to stop here. So we're actually staying in a hostel this time around, which we don't usually do, and this hostel is right in the center of the city. So we're going to go and explore around, see what there is to do in the evening here. Firstly, definitely going to have to go and find some Polish food, and secondly, we've been here for 2 weeks now and we've not tried Polish vodka. So let's go try some Polish vodka. Guys, look what we found, a Christmas market. I'm so excited. There better be mulled wine here because I bloody love a glass of mulled wine. Let's have a look.
Oh, it's Christmas time. I feel sad, I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to cope this, because it's Christmas time.
What the fuck is that? What is that?
I have no idea, it's kind of creepy. It reminds me of something from A Christmas Carol. You know,
Yeah.
like
One of the ghosts.
ghosts of...
That is really scary.
I know, it's creepy. That's amazing! Oh my god, I feel so Christmassy!
Hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time.
There's another one of those tall things.
I'm so happy. Oh my god, there's like a jazz band over there playing too.
We never even heard of this.
City.
We never even heard of this city until a few days ago.
I'm so happy. Let's get some more.
Dance right now.
Yeah, 'cause it's Christmas time, and I want you by my side, darling. So come home, please come home. You keep me up all night.
So we got ourselves some mulled wine in a pair of boots. I don't know why they're boots, but we put a deposit down and then you get the deposit back when you bring the cup back. Genius.
Knocking boots.
We're knocking boots.
So here is some rare information for you guys from the beans. We never really give that much information because we don't try and find it. However, the other day I was researching about mulled wine. Where does it come from? Is it Poland? No, it came from the Romans when they were just destroying everyone. They spread it across the land and everybody really liked it. But wait, it stopped. People then stopped liking it for a very long time until the Swedish took it back on themselves to create the tradition that we know today. This again spread across Europe, and that is why we all love in Europe having a lovely mulled wine.
Thanks to the Romans.
Romans and the Swedish, different
Yeah,
times.
thanks guys.
I've already finished it.
We have just seen the most adorable thing. They have these little huts all around. They have about 3 or 4 different ones with all different fairy tales going on. They have little puppets inside and someone narrating the story over the top for the kids. It is such a cute and nice idea for a holiday thing.
Well, I wouldn't call the nativity scene a fairy tale.
Oh, okay, well.
3 fairy tales and 1 fact.
Anyway, as well as that, this place is beautiful. It's probably the most beautiful Christmas market I've ever seen. Look at the building just in the background. It's so in keeping with everything else.
I can't believe we stumbled across this.
I'm so happy.
It's so busy. This is definitely the best one I've ever seen.
Yeah,
Christmas market.
hands down. Come to Wrocław in Poland if you want to see the best ever Christmas market.
This is getting dangerous now, guys. We're on our second wine. Okay, there's tipsy, there's drunk, there's sober. Whoop. Like, this is tipsy, remember? So whoop, just below. However, it's getting dangerous. Lovely, tasty. I've just seen sausages. If you've seen anything I made in Germany, I'm obsessed with sausages. Just love them. You can't get a good sausage in Asia. Fact, I actually think these are German sausages. Doesn't matter, these are German markets. Nothing would go better than this than a lovely tasty German sausage. It's time. Got myself a bratwurst. I want to make a shout out to Tom Barker. Imagine putting this down your throat. Imagine it. This looks amazing. Onions, great. Tomato sauce, only like it sparingly. Sausage, amazing. Reasonably sized bun. In Berlin, there's a lot of comically sized buns. I couldn't deal with this. Anyway, there's no graceful way of eating this, so... This is what life is all about. Sausages and alcohol.
So Al's been chowing down on sausage, and as a veggie, they never have veggie sausages, which always upsets me because I love a good sausage. However, they always have chips, which is great because I actually love chips and a bit of mayo back in Europe.
And for American subscribers, show them this is a chip, not a fry.
Yeah, of course. This is a chip. It is not a fry. It is a tasty chippy. It's actually quite a thin chip, but a chip nonetheless. They have about 1 million sauces here. However, they say this is like Dutch style chips. I'm sorry, no self-respecting Dutchman would put that small amount of mayonnaise on fries. That is my small qualm that I have. And I actually sent these back for more sauce and they put this on it. Anyway, I'm gonna eat these chippies, gonna finish my mulled wine. Maybe we'll have another one and have another little wander around.
Yeah, then we're getting into the danger filming zone where three drinks...
The filming could go rapidly downhill from here. This will be our third mulled wine. Who knows where it's gonna go? That's the fun of being with the Travel Bees. Let's find out what's gonna happen together. Cheers.
Number 3.
Number 3. They're soft though.
Everyone needs a bosom for a pillow. Okay, those are not nice nipples. So maybe it is the 4th mulled wine talking, but we have decided right now, here and now, here in Wrocław, that this is the '1 underrated place to travel in 2014. 2019! 2019! 2014. We are the definition of merry right now.
Okay, Poland literally has everything you want from a trip. It has history, it has culture, it has food, and it has copious amounts of cheap and delicious alcohol.
And she hasn't even mentioned that there has nature. Nature is one of my key tickle erogenous zones.
It is one of the things that we look for when we go to a place. You'd be hard pushed to find one of our favourite places that doesn't involve nature.
Okay, granted, I know what you're thinking. You guys love everywhere that you go. Okay, true. But last place we were in Bali, we loved it. We said it's probably the best place to live. Still stand by that. But we're not looking for somewhere to live. We love travelling.
Exactly. And for travelling, Poland, you have to come here. I don't know why I never even thought to come to Poland earlier than now. I'm actually disappointed in myself, and especially at Christmas time. You think now, end of November, oh, why go to Poland? It's cold, there's not much going on. Everything's going on, guys. Can you see what's going on behind us right now?
This is the definition of everything. Okay, look behind us. Look how beautiful this street is.
It's
ridiculous.
Stunning. The buildings, all different colours, absolutely beautiful. And then underneath you have this hustle and bustle of a Christmas market. Everyone getting the festive feeling of things. It's incredible.
I have 2 rules in life. One of them is do not get drunk on camera. The second one is never accept free samples. Because if I'm given free samples, I'm going to feel guilty and I'm going to have to buy it. And that is why I'm wagging this sausage at you right now. Because you're getting lectured. I have gone and bought a chili sausage.
And you broke your first rule as well.
I broke both the rules. I bought a chili sausage. Okay, I don't know if you can see up close. It's very knobbly.
That's a knobbly sausage.
Which is neither here nor there on my point right now. However, now I am luckily a proud owner of a chili sausage. With my 4th mulled wine that is now getting very low, guys.
We better top that up.
We're in the danger zone of we have to stop filming very soon. But we're having such a blast with you. I hope you're having a blast with us too. I'm going to wrap up the sausage in the cling film that it came from. Going to put it in my fucking pocket.
Is that a sausage in your pocket, or are you just pleased
I'm just pleased to see you guys. Come on, let's go do some more things.
That is enough sausage chat for now. You're back with Emma, the vegetarian, and I have had my eyes drawn to this place here behind me. I have seen these dotted around all over Poland, and I always thought they were Hungarian. However, I saw one of these stalls with a Hungarian flag and a Polish flag on the front. So I'm now convinced it is an official, traditional Polish food, and therefore I have to try it.
What is it called?
Kostokazlaks.
Nice, let's get
That's
one.
how the locals say it. It smells like a little slice of heaven, a little roll of heaven. Oh, I went for cinnamon, guys. I thought cinnamon seemed like a classic.
What is it? Because people don't really know what's going on.
I have no idea what it is. I've just seen it in lots of places. I'm always intrigued. It almost looks like a twirly donut or something. I don't know what it is.
Look how happy these two countries are side by side.
They're so happy. Look at them. Look at this. So, I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like twizzled round. The woman puts it on a stick and like twirls it around, and then she rolls it out so it all merges together.
The way you described that was amazing.
It's great, especially in the cold weather. It's bloody delicious. It's hot. It's cinnamony. Anything with cinnamon just reminds me of Christmas. Stick a fork in me. I'm done. So,
Take the fork out of us.
we have just been in a bar which is directly behind us.
What have you just dropped?
Yep, I dropped my weird thing. We may have had a vodka or two on top of the mulled wines, which is why we're not going to prolong this any longer than it should be.
We got to try vodka and apple juice. Apparently that is something you need to have while you're here. Delicious.
Lovely.
Amazing. So we went to a little pub full, jam-packed of Polish. That is a really good sentence to say. Jam-packed of Polish. Oh,
it was great. It was great. It felt fantastic. We were drinking vodka, surrounded by Polish people. They were everywhere, and it was fantastic. I do not feel this is a good state of mind to be vlogging in. Therefore, we're going to finish this right now. We are going to say goodbye.
It's over.
We love you guys who have stuck around for this long. You are legends. So, now is the time to ask you guys to give us a thumbs up.
Okay, guys, give a thumbs up if you like Emma Drunk, because I think Emma Drunk is amazing. She's so funny. Guys, like the video if you like it.
Yes, please.
Leave us a comment if there's something you need to tell us. If you just need it, it's in your brain like, they need to know this. Subscribe if you're new.
They need to know this. Oh,
Subscribe if you're new and you're like, I want more of this. Okay, it's not always going to be like this, but
sometimes it is like this. It happens.
And finally, okay, press the little bell. You get more of this straight into your inbox.
So much more of this. Actually, too much of this, if anything. But you want too much of this.
And finally, this is the time where I am going to say goodbye to you, and it goes like this. Okay, well this is great.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this is really good. Okay, guys, I'll see you on the other side. Beans out.